This is beginning
This
of
is
the
also
wine.
your olive oil, yes?
Olive oil going into the bread.
Our olive oil.
Uh-huh.
We have three difference.
What is the difference?
Okay. This is the mixture of the four different varieties of the oil.
Yes?
No, olive.
Olives.
Okay. Arbequina, manzanilla, picual, and conicabra. It's fantastic, the mixture. This is only arbequinas, 100%. This is more soft. And this is the same of this, but organic.
But tell me, really, what organic is really better, or
Okay, not is better and the other is bad. No,
Yeah.
it's different. Okay, in the land, not use the
Fertilizers.
fertilized products.
yeah?
It's only natural products. Okay, in the wine, we have the 3 gold medal.
We're going to test rosé with some Spanish tapa with a wonderful extra virgin olive oil from Jumilla region. And Marie's opening the bottle and pouring.
No, thank you. David, you show me.
I know.
What's that?
Sabatacha is fantastic, it's Monastrell 100%, but this is young wine,
Yeah.
okay? Not oak.
Year or maximum 2 years. David, bring the water to clean it.
Okay.
Bring the water.
She can get water from him. People can get water from him.